Today we are exploring toggle pricing features table by Wdesignkit. This tool will let your site visitors easily switch between monthly, yearly and even lifetime pricing plans with just a simple click, making it super easy for them to find the best plan. So, without any further ado, let's dive in and transform the way your visitors explore your pricing. The widget we will be using here is offered by Wdesignkit. Speaking in terms of figures, it includes over 2000 pre-designed templates and 100 plus pre-built widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks, along with a cloud workspace and much more. We will discuss about more of its features in detail soon, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Now let's start with the tutorial. Make sure you have installed Elementor, and we will also need Wdesignkit, so come up here and click Add New Plugin. Then search for it. And here it is, Wdesignkit. Simply click on Install Now. Then Activate. Moving ahead to Appearance. And here, as you can notice, I'm using Nexter theme. However, feel free to use any other theme as per your preference. Now, in order to use this plugin, we will need to make an account with Wdesignkit. Simply come here and click on Wdesignkit. Next, up here in the header section, click on Login. At the bottom here, it's written don't have an account. Click Sign Up. Now this web page will open up where it's visible that you can sign up with your socials, or here after you fill all the details mentioned, simply click on this button. I already have an account, so I'll simply click Sign In. And then I will click on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this kind of interface. It's time to activate our widget, so come up here in the header section and click on Browse Widgets. Now search Toggle Pricing. And here it is, Toggle Pricing Features Table for Elementor. Simply download it by clicking on this icon. Once that's done, let's make sure it's downloaded by going into the My Widget section. Perfect. Now opening the Elementor editor, here's the basic page where I have already imported the widget. If you want to do the same, simply come here in the widgets panel and search Toggle Pricing. Then drag and drop it inside the workspace. For now, let's just select the widget from the navigator, and under the content tab in here, you will get to see these many customization options. As visible, initially all these options that are title, subtitle, button title and button description are provided by our team to allow you to add or edit text. You can simply replace the default text with the text that suits your professional service needs. And that's it. Additionally, you can replace the default $sign with your country's currency symbol. Next, we have the display offer option. By enabling its toggle button, you can add a special offer text that you want to highlight to your site visitors for your product or services. I'll also like to change the toggle before and after text from yearly and lifetime to monthly and yearly respectively. Moving on to the list. From here, basically you can list the benefits and value that the user will get after opting for a specific plan. These items will be displayed to site visitors in the middle of the pricing table, so make sure they are clear and compelling. To add an item, click on the item box to open it. As you can notice, an icon is already uploaded here. If not, you can select an icon of your choice from the library. Once that's done, close the pop-up and fill in the title text input field. That's it. Now it's the same process to add the remaining benefits to the list. So let's do that quickly. Next, you will see the toggle on and toggle off options, through which you can easily set different prices according to the toggle options that are monthly and yearly. In the pricing number field, insert the offer price, and in the pricing discount input field, enter the original price without the discount. Just for your information, this value is usually higher and is used by marketers to create a sense of urgency during events like Black Friday or Christmas. At last, don't forget to fill these input fields by adding links to redirect your buyers to the payment page or pop-up window. Once that's done, our toggle pricing features table is ready to go live on our WordPress site. So let's update and have our final look. Now, don't forget to explore other amazing features Wdesignkit offers. It provides various design assets and resources to create amazing WordPress websites in a matter of minutes. With its 2000 plus page templates, sections and kits, you can import pre-made WordPress websites. It comes with its own Power Widget Builder, using which you can convert any custom code to Elementor widget, blocks or bricks elements. And not only that, as we shared earlier, it has its own 100 plus growing collection of pre-made widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks. Using Wdesignkit Page Builder Converter, you can convert your Elementor widget to Gutenberg blocks and even Bricks elements. Amazing, right? Lastly, for all the Power WordPress users who create multiple websites, Wdesignkit also comes with its cloud workspace, where you can store your created widgets and page sections on the cloud and import on any other website, as well as collaborate with your team members. To be honest, you can say me delusional, but Wdesignkit is the tool which can increase your productivity by 100%. It comes with both free and pro plan. You can check all the details from this pricing page and choose the plan which suits your need. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now, if you are curious, be sure to check out our upcoming video where we will dive into advanced pricing with toggle, showing you how to switch between yearly and lifetime pricing options. I know that you've just learned about it a few minutes ago, but hey, this time we are getting even more customization options with unique styles, which will truly make your web page stand out. Also, drop a like and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon turned on so that you don't miss any of such amazing videos we keep on adding inside our Wdesignkit playlist every week. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.